Mabuhay! My name is Mark Silwin M. Comeros, and get ready with me as a BHSM first year student, showcasing my proper grooming before going to school. In the hospitality and tourism industry, the importance of grooming, personal cleanliness, and maintain a presentable appearance cannot be overstated. These factors are essential not only for individual professions but also for overall reputation and success of business within these sectors. As the industry is divided by customer service, the visual and expressional aspect of person presentation cannot significantly influence guest receptions and experience. Personal cleanliness and grooming are fundamental of the hospitality experience. Visitors often judge a hotel, restaurant, or tour service by the appearance of its staff. Clean cut will groom employees, project professionalism, and create a positive first impression. Guests expect a certain standard of hygiene and aesthetic appeals, especially in an environment where they are consuming foods and engage a person service. As well, grooming appearance demonstrate that the staff take pride in their works, conveying a sense of attractive and care. This can lead increased customers' trust and comfort, essential components for a memorable experience. Moreover, a presentable appearance reflects the overall branding at the host of a hospitality establishment. In industry characterized by fierce competition, business need to distinguish themselves through every interaction. Grooming and personal presentation play a crucial role in this differentiation. Whether this occurs in uniforms, a hotel staff, and polished look of restaurant service, a stylish attire, or a tour guide, these visual cues contribute directly to the brand identification. When staff members embodies the organizer will value through their appearance, it can enforce the overall message and enhance the guest receptions and quality that and commitment. An additional of contributing to the brand image, personal cleanliness and grooming are essential for health and safety. In the hospitality industry, where an employee may handle foods and interact closely with guests, hygiene cannot overlook. Proper grooming practice help prevent the spread and germs and ensure the safety environment for both staff and patrons. Establishments that provide hygiene and cleanliness demonstrate responsibility and concern to the guests, as well-being, which can lead repeat business and positive word of mouth referrals. Training program within the hospitality industry increasingly recognize the importance of grooming and representation. Establishing clear standard and providing guidance cannot ensure that all employers understand that expectations set by the organization. This not only fosters consistency across the team but also enhance the overall guest experience. Inclusion, grooming, personal cleanliness, and representation of polished appearance are all paramount important in the hospitality and tourism industry. They contribute to the first impression, reinforce branding, ensure healthy and safety, and bolster employee morale. By emphasizing this aspect, hospitality business can create lasting impression that lead to the customer satisfaction, loyalty, ultimately driving and success of establishment their operators.